Okay, finished. Hi, Winnie. Hardworking.
Thank you.
Okay, let's see the finished performance by this line. You can see the tape stick tightly and the strap also in the middle.
Here. How long is this area? The tape.
Oh, you mean the overlap distance?
Yeah.
Okay. This length can be adjustable. It's from 4 centimeter to 6 centimeter.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was there are 2 straps. Can I add more straps?
Yes, sure. It also can be add more sensor to get more straps by PLC control system.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay, later I will show you.
Okay.
Okay.
I have a flat cardboard. Yeah. Okay. Can you show me the whole process?
Okay. So after reviewing the running about this line, do you understand how to work?
Actually, I'm working here.
Really?
I can't see the whole.
Okay, let's explain details one by one. First, the collapsed cutting box will be erected.
From the bottom?
Yes, bottom folding and bottom folding sealing. Flap folding. And the top sealing. Okay. And later, 2 straps by the strapper, edge collar sealing by the edge collar sealer, and tail storage by flexible skate conveyor.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So now you are know the process of a fully line. Let's go to there to explain the one machine one by one.
Okay.
Okay. Let's move to.
Okay.
Here you can see there is the Siemens touch screen. Inside the PLC also is the Siemens, which will ensure the whole machine running stable. Here, this top plate is for the carton's height plus the half of the width. So this part, it can be adjustable. This deck, the direction of this deck can be front, also can be back. It depends on the space of your factory.
Okay.
Here you can see there is a handwheel. It also can be adjusted the carton's length and width. The width is under the bottom of the machine.
Yeah, there are the 2 switches to adjust length and widen.
Yeah, so no worries about the different size of your box. All the sides can be adjustable.
I have a question. If my boxes are bigger than this version, how can I do?
Okay, our engineer is understand beside. He will give you the big support to meet your demands. It all can be customized.
Wonderful.
Okay. So, do you know how this machine work?
No. Can you show me the procedures?
Okay. Let's show the details.
Okay.
Let's change to the model to the menu. Here are 4 steps. The first one is the open the box.
Okay.
It works by the starter.
Oh, you mean this part?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. The second step is the front folding.
Front folding.
Yeah. Back folding.
Oh, the back folding.
Yes. Side folding.
Oh.
Yes. Okay. The last step is the bottom sealing.
Oh, I have a question. How this part to suck the cardboard?
Oh, you can see the start is connected with the air pipe. The air pipe is worked with the air compressor. The compressor will be connected by this pipe. Here is the connector.
Okay.
It's easy.
Yeah, I understand.
So you can see the capacity of this cutting erector is about 8 to 12 pieces per minute.
If I want more cartons, how?
Sure, we have another high-speed model.
I have another question. Because of the tip is not environmentally friendly. So
Yeah.
do you have other options like glue or something?
Yes, that is a good question. This model also can be worked with our hot glue system to do the seam bottom and the top to be friendly.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay, eco-friendly. Yeah. Okay. Here is a packing station. You can see my partner Winnie put the production inside the carton manually. Actually, it also can adopt our fully automatic case packer.
Do you instead of me?
Yes.
Okay.
So you retired. Okay. So here is a carton sealer.